Crispy outside, juicy inside. These unique style chicken sticks are the ultimate snack or party starter. Tender chicken is threaded onto skewers, seasoned with a bold dry rub. Dipped in a light flour slurry. Then coated in a crunchy mix of cornflakes and breadcrumbs before being fried to golden perfection. Perfect for kids, family gatherings, or game nights. This recipe guarantees a big flavour and satisfying crunch in every bite. Try it today and impress everyone with this creative twist on fried chicken. Ingredients and method included in video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more unique recipes. Cook for you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Chicken Stick. Step 1. Thread the chicken. Take 350 grams chicken. Wash and pat dry with paper towel. Cut into strips as shown. This is the perfect thickness. All strips are ready to thread. Take soaked wooden skewers to avoid burning while frying. Thread the chicken strips onto skewer as shown. Repeat the same procedure for all. Lay the skewers carefully on a flat surface. Our skewers are well threaded and they are all set and ready for the next step. A flavourful dry rub massage to pack in the taste. Step 2, let's make dry mix rub. Take 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic powder, 1 tablespoon tandoori or tikka masala, ½ teaspoon mixed herbs, ½ teaspoon onion powder, salt to taste, ½ teaspoon black pepper powder, ½ teaspoon paprika, Mix all dry rub spices. Sprinkle dry rub mix on chicken skewers. Flip the sides and again sprinkle on them. Coat generous amount. Add more if needed. Our chicken skewers are coated well. Let it rest 15 to 20 minutes, so flavour soak in. Meanwhile, let's make the slurry. Step 3. Slurry. In a tall glass, take 2/3 cup plain flour. Pour the same amount of water in it. Add 1 tablespoon dry mix that we've prepared earlier. Combine all together. Adjust to make a smooth batter. Instead of this, you can also use beaten eggs as well. Step 4. Cornflakes, breadcrumbs, mixture. Now take plain cornflakes. Crush it. Add an equal amount of breadcrumbs for extra crispiness. Combine well. Spread it. Now take dry, rub chicken skewer. Dip the chicken skewer in the flour slurry. Then, place on cornflakes breadcrumbs tray. First, dip the chicken skewers in the flour slurry. Coat properly. Coat properly. Now place them on crushed cornflakes and breadcrumbs. Then roll them in crushed cornflakes and breadcrumbs mixture. Press gently so coating sticks well. All skewers are coated well. Can be freeze for up to 2 weeks. Fry whenever you want. 5. Frying. Heat up oil, enough for deep or shallow fry. Heat oil on medium to high flame. Drop chicken skewers in hot oil. Fry chicken sticks until golden brown and crispy. Fry about 5 to 7 minutes, depending on thickness. Flip and cook from another side too. Once done, remove it. Time to plate. Arrange on serving dish. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Add grated cheese if you want cheesy flavour. For a lighter version, bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes in oven. Spray some oil on coating. Sprinkle some leftover dry rubber mix, it's totally optional. Our unique chicken sticks are ready to enjoy. Pair with ketchup or spicy mayo. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.